So, hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have Glitz Glam Box for the month of November. Now, I wanted to get this up, guys. I know you have seen it. And normally, what I would do is, if you saw it, you know, rather than me making you sit through yet another unboxing of the same, you know, items, even though it is a very good subscription, I would usually like utilize it, put it on, show you how it works, that kind of thing. However, in this video, I do not have that ability to do that, and I apologize ever so much. So, if you would bear with me, and please watch the video in full. If you want to see what I think of the Glitz Glam Box and the products that are in this month's subscription, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes guys, hey, I just wanted to say welcome back, and yes, it is the same night I'm filming. If you hear hubby coughing, he has been all day working on his apartment, and he has actually moved down the street from me, which is good in a lot of ways. Before I get started, please allow me to just say that my name is Stephanie for the newcomers, and we do have a lot of newcomers, guys. I can't believe that we're almost at 1,100. Wow. You know, I'm always gonna do some kind of something celebration, you know, every milestone we get to. So that's awesome. Like I did say in the beginning, we do have Glitz Glam Box. Now, I did go ahead and take the liberty of unboxing it already, and I have everything in front of me. I did not see the spoilers this month, and I did not watch any unboxing, so I don't know what's in this. I do have everything. It has a lot of tissue paper in it, and it does come in a little tamale like this. You have not been into it, and we do have a card. The theme for this month is Bougie Queen, and I love that oh so much. Chanel, you're awesome. So there you have that, and it does have a list of the items and the prices, so that is so cool. Now, I will tell you before I hop on into this, I do have 2 active giveaways going on. One is hidden, which it wouldn't take much because I've only put 1 video up, guys, since this one. We do have another giveaway. It is the Jeffree Star giveaway, my mystery box giveaway, where I'm giving away some items from the Halloween mystery box. And I believe there's another one. Oh, the Eyescream Beauty. Yes, that ends November 9th. So if you did not see that, please hop on over there. I will leave these videos linked down below. I've not yet figured out how the card goes. I do apologize for my background, guys. I do have the fall one. Hubby was out. I forgot to ask him to put it up. Okay, let's get started now. If you don't know about the subscription, it is $15 a month with $2.99 shipping. Okay, so let me go ahead and try and open this little sticker. I always like to try and peel it, but not to this month. I'm not gonna be able to do that. So we will rip it wide open and see, it does come in the wrap, and then we will open it. Now, with the subscription, guys, as you know, I say it every single time, it is one of my favorite subscriptions, and it always comes with a lash and something sparkly. And I'm sorry, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. It really helps me out, guys. Also, please turn on your bell, because why? I do giveaways, and I announce the giveaways winners that way. Sometimes I don't always put my giveaways in the thumbnail. So also, if you would check your and see if you still are in fact subscribed. YouTube's doing that thing again. I had something go on, guys. From now on, I am going to have to do my giveaways a little bit different. I did have somebody try to come in and swoop up one of the 1K prize winners prize. One of the winners, it was not them, and I've gotten it straightened out since, and I have been in contact with everyone, and everything's honky-dory, but whoever the person was tried to claim that they were that person. And thank goodness I have such a good connection with everyone in this community, because I knew right from the bat that this was not the person. And when I asked the person to do a specific something, they could not. So I was able to get a hold of the real winner. Thank you, Jesus. I still will go ahead and do my videos the way I do them with the winners, and you must be subscribed. I must be able to see my channel under your listing of all the channels you're subscribed to. Okay, so this is a beauty channel, if you haven't guessed by now. What you see is what you get, guys. I live to make people in a better mood. I come at beauty and a little more of the lighter side. Although I am serious about makeup, I am also just as serious about good mental health, positive influence, you know, self-esteem, and building that self-esteem. You will not be judged here. You know, it just won't happen. I won't allow it. And you can be yourself. So it's a great thing. If you have not yet, you know, become part of the family, please, I would love to have you. Okay, Glitz Glam Box. Oh my gosh, guys. Again, a glitter product, always some kind of glittery, sparkly item, and you do always get a lash, which I'm very happy about. Okay, the first thing I see here is 24 karat gold. Okay, this is, oh, it's very pretty. It's like a lip, is this a lip gloss? Let me read. I'm gonna try and run some background music here. Hopefully it's not too loud. You can hear me because there's just a whole bunch of background noise going on and I'm not liking it, so I can't get it out of the video, and I will explain later. Okay, the first thing again was this, and this is 24 karat gold lip shine. It's Nika New York, $10, 24 karat gold flaked infused lip gloss. Are you team rose gold or yellow gold? And I believe I am team yellow gold. Yes, it looks like, if I really can't show it to you guys, but it is like little gold flakes in there, so that's awesome, cool. Again, that is $10. Then we have the Glitz Glam Box Never Basic Lashes, and these are the kind that I got. These are in Bad Girl. That is the style, and let me show you. I'm gonna just try and show them to you through here. There you go. You can see them fairly good. The bands are a little bit thick. I did not reach out to Chanel this time and ask her, as I did not see any of these products. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing them, which is very unusual because usually I'll go over and watch her video. I will now, so I can give her some watch time. If you don't know, the owner, Chanel, she has her own channel, guys. I will link that down below. Okay, so those lashes are, I believe, $12, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yes, these are Sweetheart lashes. Glitz Glam Box, $12 faux mink. A bougie lash, reusable up to 20 times. So there you have that, which I do like them. Okay. All right. Now we do have the glitter. This is cool. I am so happy. Can I open it? Please let me be able to open it. I might have to use my teeth, guys. Hold on. Yep. Did I smear my lipstick? I probably did. Okay. So this is what it looks like. But let me take it out because holy moly, that is so pretty. I don't have anything blue like this. This is like silver, like a very cool tone blue. Very, very pretty. Okay, so this is, what is this shade? I have Cerulean. It says, let me see. Glitz Glitter. Hot Kitty Beauty, $6 cosmetic glitter. Glitz Glitter, eye, lip, and nail skin safe. Okay, let me hold up the card. There you go. That's the name, guys. Whatever, if you can read that. I don't know how to pronounce that. Cerulean, I think it may be. There it is right there. And again, that's very pretty, and that's $6. Okay, so that is the third item, sorry. And then the last item, guys, this is gorgeous. And I mean gorgeous packaging. I can't even begin to explain this. This has like, it's like stones. The outside's very heavy, and it's made out of like crystals. Like it's not smooth. It literally feels like rocks on the outside of this. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh. It is from Clean Color. We did get another palette, I believe from Eyescream Beauty from Clean Color, if I'm not mistaken. But this is different. This is Clean Color Bijou Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so there's the front. There are the shadows on the other side. Guys, this is very pretty. I mean, it is very, it's textured. It's like they took little rocks and glued them in there, and that's so cool. Oh my gosh. So these are super duper pretty. It does have a saver, a very good one actually. And these are very, very pretty. Oh my gosh. I want to play. I wonder if this was a customizable month and I missed it. I have to go and look at the spoilers. Like I said, I have no idea. But those are my shades, guys. Oh my gosh. Let me take these glasses off so I can really see it. You've got a bunch of neutrals there. You've got some purples. Oh, and some pinks and blurples. That is definitely me. And a nice, like white with a little bit of a shift. Well, actually, doesn't look like too much of a shift, but they're very sparkly. And I do like that. And they're, again, neutral shades, too, so you're not all like, you know what I mean? It's not, you can do a bunch of looks with this. Yes, very good mirror, too. Wow, I look like crap. The bags are coming through because I don't sleep, and I didn't like color correct and do all that. But anyway, okay. Let me tell you how much this costs. This packaging is very different and very nice. Chanel, this is awesome. I'm liking this palette a lot, guys. I gotta tell you, I want to try it and see like how, because I did get that other palette from Clean Color, and I don't believe I ever did a look with it. Please comment down below if you want to see me maybe do like a swatch party. I have a bunch of palettes that I want to swatch, guys. So maybe we can have a swatch party Like, you ever hear of what they are? Like, you sit and you just swatch a bunch of colors, and I just, like, you know, go through palette by palette, like, pick out the pretty colors and swatch them on camera so you guys can see, or maybe in, like, natural lighting or something. Let me know down below if that's a video you'd be interested in seeing, the various palettes. I do have a very good palette coming up. I have a palette, and I have a dupe for that palette. And I also have an extra one to give away. Just saying. So that's another giveaway that's coming up. We have the Jeffree Star, all Jeffree Star giveaway coming up. We also have with the Pink Religion palette and a whole bunch more. And then we also have Natasha Denona giveaway coming up. Nothing but Natasha Denona. And we do have the Glow recipe. Holy crap, I need the... Guys, they are never going to send me anything again. I messed that up so badly. I did. And it was just one series of things after the other. And then there was so much other things going on, like, you know, celebrating all the goodness that's happening on this channel. So I need to reach out to Lissy. She's the person at Glow Recipe, and explain to her what's happening and apologize from the bottom of my heart. Just saying. Gemstone palette, that's this one. And this is valued at $10. What? The packaging alone is so bougie, guys. Like, it really is. This is a nice packaging for $10. Holy crap. Let alone the colors. Yeah, I'm liking that. Okay, so let's recap. We have the palette for $10. We have the glitter. Now I see why the glitter is this shade. It's very pretty. Well, definitely, you can definitely interact these with those, I think, anyway. And that's $6, okay? Then we have the Glitz Glam Box lashes in the style Bad Girl. There it is right there. And then we do have the last product, and that is the Lip Shine 24 karat gold. I am team gold, okay? So I will leave the retail value up here somewhere. So there you have it, guys. That is the Glitz Glam Box for the month of November. Very sorry I didn't upload the last month. I am so sorry. You know, it's one of my favorite subscriptions. I apologize to Chanel oh so much. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me. I have so much coming, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to really not try and let this bother me. You know, I will be looking klutzy. My looks will not be astonishing because, again, one-handed. Until I can get some kind of use. Right now, whether they operate on me, which is probably what's going to happen. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. Please turn on your bell, guys, and please drop me a comment if you are new here. Let me know you're new here. Say, hey, I'm new here. If you have a channel of your own, please let me know that as well. Until the next one, please remember, guys, if you're going through something, please don't stuff it. It will not go away. You know, I used to think that would happen, but it's always been my experience. It gets worse. And if you are asked to listen to someone, please do so. You can absolutely help them. And like I always say, in this crazy mixed up world we live in, and oh boy, is my world oh so crazy right now. Please, guys, stay safe. Unlike I am. Really, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. I could find them. That's crazy. Okay, oh, right in front of my face. Wow. I can't open them. Okay. Sorry.